have to open this together.
Yeah. Ready? It's set. Go.
Oh.
That works. Blue tended. Dogs. Dogs. Do you get it? Do you understand? Do you understand, my child? Do you get what is happening? Do you get it? Do you get it?
What is there to get? What does that mean?
A doggy!
We pick him up tomorrow.
Oh.
No, you're lying.
No, I'm
You're
not.
lying.
We pick him up tomorrow. We're rescuing him. I should have pictures. His name is Ori.
His name's Ori.
But I'm going to call him Rory. It's true. Why would I tell you that and not, like...
There are people that have tricked their children.
Yeah, but that's not me.
Wait, no, okay, ready? Up, down.
John's just whatever. Oh. Merry Christmas, buddy.
You guys are excited
Jesus.
to get a dog.
Are you excited?
Well, no, we got a dog. I mean... All right, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.